Hello, this is Jim from Tactile. Today I'm going to give you an unboxing and review of the Jam Live True wireless earphones, and here's the packaging here. As you can see a box and two buds, and we'll go into that a bit more in a minute. So on these you get 3 hours plus an extra 48 hours with the case, which is pretty cool. 30-foot range or 10 meters, sweat resistant, and you can also charge your phone, which is excellent. And on the back it just shows that they've got a red dot design award in 2016. So let's take them out and have a look and see what else we got inside. So you get a massive user guide, which is probably the biggest I've seen in a while in a tech product. You get the usual Jam audio booklets. You get the pause and play and the Jam sticker, and that's it there. And then you get a little pack here with your extra ear tips and your USB to micro USB cable. So that's everything that's in the box, apart from the goods themselves, which we'll now pop out. So first up, you get a box here like so, or a carry case. You can also charge your phone with it, which has got this lovely texture on it, and it's really solid. And you have the option to put your buds in here like so, and if you pop down the other end, you have your inputs and outputs and an LED indicator. So you can also charge your phone, which is excellent, but this is really a nice feel, nice sturdy feel to it, and feel robust. And you can see the Jam logo there. Onto the buds themselves, they've got the same kind of texture on them there, which is like a fabric material. You've got the buds, you've got your connection points there, and you've also got some clicky buttons up on top, so we'll pop them in and see what happens. And they are magnetic when you stick them in, and that's what they look like there. And then when you close it up, you should see an LED pop on, and you do indeed. So you can see it through the cover as well, so you'll know what the situation is. So that's just the first look. Stay tuned after the break for a full review. And so far, nice presentation, looks really well, and nice idea, and the ability to be able to charge your phone as well. So we'll see you shortly. Hello, this is Jim from Tactile, back with a review of the Jam Live True wireless earbuds, and we're going to talk about and tell you how we found them. We've tested them for a few days. So overall, they're pretty good. They do fall short in some spaces, but excel in others. So for the price that they are at now, which is 49 quid as we speak, they are worth the money, being short and frank about it. And I like the fact that they come with this case that'll give you an extra 10 charges as well on the go. So you get around 3 hours per full charge, which is quite good. You have simple to use buttons here, and they fit quite snugly in the ear, but like they might tend to fall out, depends on your ear size, or if there isn't enough buds inside to suit your needs. But I found them pretty much okay. As I said, they look different as well. They're not the typical metal, fully metal or plastic housed. They've got this nice kind of materialised texture on the outsides, which looks different, and they come in two colours as well. You get this solid case as well, which is excellent, and you can also charge your phone from it there as well, which is great if you get stuck on the road. You can just plug it in here, and away you go and charge your phone. Now, the good and the bad. The good is, I love the case here. It's great, and it's quite handy, and it fits really nice in the hand as well, and it also fit quite good in your pocket, so that's pretty cool. When it comes to functionality, you can play and pause your music, but you can't skip tracks, which I couldn't find, and that's having a look through the manual and so on, which is quite strange, but that's just the way it is, and that's the way I found it. You can take calls, but they'll only come in on the left side. The music will work singly on each earbud once one is switched on, or one is switched off, so you can pick either side. The calls thing might bother some, but it will only work on the left side. So if you do have both in, take one out, it'll switch off the Bluetooth. You can also get your Siri and your Google Assistants by just double tapping either side, and that will activate that on your phone. And like I said, you will see the live through up on top. Now, pairing these up is also quite good. These connect together at the same time, so one will connect the other, and you don't have to individually pair them. And even after use, when you reconnect to your phone, they'll start together, so they won't start singly, or you have to go through so many key presses or stuff like that to get them working. So it's pretty cool in that respect, and the buttons are quite tactile and clicky, so you know you've done something when you actually use them. Like some buttons, or some of the earbuds that we've tested, they've no button whatsoever, but these have a button on them, so it makes it easier to know that you've actually done something. And like I said, if you double tap, you can get your Alexa or your Google simply like that. And for your music, it's play and pause. There's no skip or reverse tracks. That's the only downside that I've seen to them, but apart from that, I find them quite good. They're quite loud as well, and you have nice rich sound. Same for calls, by the way, crisp and clear. Music was pretty balanced across all scenes and so on. They weren't the best on the bass, but again, you can fix that with an equaliser. And there is no WAP with these as well, which was another small thing. But a lot of them, in fairness, come without an app. But I think it's about time now. All manufacturers should be given apps with their true wireless earbuds. So that's pretty much it now. You can grab these for $49.99. They were $99.99. So for the value, they're good value. Minus, like, they have plus and minuses to them, like any other earbud that's out there. But for the price you're paying for them, you can't really complain. And plus you get the option to charge your smartphone from the case itself here, which is quite good. You don't see that on too many of these either. So that's pretty much it for now on the Jam Live True Wireless Earbuds. Any questions, hit me up, Tech Bus Ireland. Stay tuned, we've lots more coming this week and next. And we have more similar versions of these coming. True wireless earbuds, which we're focusing on a lot lately and down the road, because they're the trend and it's what people want. So that's it for now. We'll talk to you in the next one, and see you then.